Hello everyone, myself Dr. Nani Mittal. I'm a sports physiotherapist. Today we are going to start human physiology with the topic cell. Cell. What is cell? Cell is basically the smallest and the basic unit of any living being or property, any living organism, human being. Cell is the smallest and basic structural and functional unit. Okay? Cell, it has everything inside it, whatever its function, its metabolic rate, its excretory system, its energy producing system, everything cell contains inside it. It whole whole system is composed and structured inside cell itself. Basically, cell does many works. First, it forms energy for its survival on its own. It needs nutrition and oxygen, as these two things are the very basic things for any living cell to survive. Then the excretory system of the cell also produces metabolic waste in the form of carbon dioxide and any other forms also. Basically, cell also excretes its metabolic wastes also. Then coming to the tissue is structured with a group of cells, or we can say a group of cells. If they are kept at one side, we can call it as tissue. So tissues are basically of four types. We have four primary tissues, that are muscle tissue, second nervous tissue, third epithelial tissue, and fourth is connecting tissue. First is our muscle tissue. Our skeletal muscles, our smooth muscles, and our cardiac muscle, all of them contains muscle tissue. Second, coming to nervous tissue. Nervous tissue, basically it is present in our nervous system. Okay, coming further, we'll come to the system. Our neurons and other connecting cells to the neurons are composed. That's these cells basically forms nervous tissue. Then coming to the third one, epithelial tissue, are columnar, cuboidal, and squamous. These are our three epithelial tissues. Then coming to the last one, that is connecting tissue. Our connecting tissues are our blood, bone, cartilage, and connecting tissue proper. Uh, blood. Blood circulates from the top of the body to till the toe. So it is connecting our body from one side to another side. Bones, that connects us our body. Bones connects our body to muscle, to ligaments. So they are also connecting tissues. Okay. Now coming to organs. Basically, these are four systems. First is cell, second is tissue, third is organ, and then comes the system. Step by step, we'll proceed. So now we are coming to the third step, that is organ. Organ, when we keep a group of tissues at one side, they form organ. Okay. Organs are the structures that perform functions in our body, that helps our systems to work, or we can say multiple organs when work together, they form system. And when multiple tissues are kept at one side, when they are formed at one place, they forms organ. Okay. Organs are very basic function. They are very basic unit to perform functions. We have two types of organs. One is hollow or tubular organ, and second is compact organ. Okay. Now coming to the system. System is the last, we can say, last stair for the body, that represents the functioning of the body. Like we can see the results of our body through the working systems. First, the first system of our body, like we can start from top, nervous system. Okay, the very first system on the top of the body is nervous system. That receives the signals and gives signals. Okay, what we have to do, what we have seen, what we have to react, what we have captured, all these things are done by nervous system. Then nose, that is connected with the respiratory system. Respiratory system that provides oxygen to each and every cell of the body and takes carbon dioxide from them and excretes it out. Then coming to the heart, that forms our cardiac system. Cardiac system regulates oxygen to the body and brings the waste product from the body to excrete it out. Then digestive system. Digestive system digests the food what we eat or the drink what we drink. Then the excretory system. Excretory system, it excretes out the waste from the body either in the liquid form or in the solid form. So now I'd like to end up today's topic. Today we discussed the very basic four stairs of our body. In our next video, in our upcoming video, we'll talk about these systems in very elaborated form. Okay, thank you.